Hello friend, this is Ryan Hicks of TaughtToProfit.com, and today I want to talk to you about my Success and Prosperity Journal Planner. This is a tool that I've been using for quite a while now, and I've refined it and redeveloped it and changed things here and there to make basically the ultimate planner slash journal. Now you may be wondering, well, why didn't you make it into an app? Because that's common today. People use apps and for journal and planning and stuff like that. The problem is that there is real tangible benefit to physically writing things down on paper. You'll remember things better. You'll create more neurons. It absolutely helps you to write things down physically. I know we want to type things out and tap and use apps and things like that because it feels like we're getting more done, but the reality is physically writing stuff down will give you tangible benefits. I'm going to put a link in the description to the journal slash planner. If you will use this planner, this journal, if you'll take it and actually use it each and every day, and it only takes you a few minutes a day, it's not going to take you 30 minutes or an hour a day, but if you'll use this, you will see your productivity levels dramatically increase. Even if you've been using journal planner systems already, you'll see the way this is laid out, the way it's designed, it will absolutely make you more productive if you use it. If you're not going to use it, there's no point in getting it. But if you'll use it, it's only going to take you a few minutes a day, and you'll absolutely see yourself accomplishing more each and every day. You'll also see yourself being more grateful, seeing all the benefits and the great blessings you have in your life each and every day, because one of the things you'll be writing down will be things that you're grateful for and the successes you've had that day. Whatever they are, no matter how small they might be, when you write those down, you do that consistently, you will put yourself in a better mentality to not only be happier and more joyful, but here's another thing that it does. It opens your reticular activating system to recognize more opportunity. It's all around you. Each and every day, you're passing by opportunity. You don't even see it. That's just the nature of our reality, that your brain can only take in so much information. It has to filter down only the information that you need at that moment. And that will cause you to limit yourself and to be missing many opportunities. But when you're doing this, when you're constantly daily focusing on the successes and things you're grateful for, as you will do with this journal and planner, you will start having more opportunities available to you. Now, it's not necessarily that they are magically coming out of nowhere, but that you'll now start seeing them. They were always available to you, but you just weren't noticing them because you weren't in the proper mindset from daily, diligent, consistent activity and being grateful for the things that are going right in your life. When you write down even the little things, you'll start seeing more opportunities. Now, I made this journal planner combo and I've adapted it to my needs, and I've tweaked it and had other people tell me what they thought until I got to this point to where it is today, where it is the most concise and productive, effective and efficient use of your time for actually using a journal and planner. Because too many people are spending a long time, or they're spending no time at all writing things down, being consistent, knowing what's going on, knowing their plans, knowing their goals. This will make it easy for you, and it will absolutely bless your life. Make sure to get it. I'll put a link in the description. You will be blessed by it. May God bless you richly.